Right, so I have it out of the box now. I have all the cable ties taken off and the rest of it is just kind of sellotaped on, so I'm going to take down the camera and set it up and do a time lapse. Right, I got her done. I'm a happy man. The bike looks fucking sick. Have it here behind me. Look at that. It's like, I'm quite happy with it. After taking it just for a quick spin around the house just to get things set up on it and stuff, right? Tomorrow I'm going to be hitting the slopes. Here in Cullehill now. I'm going to do a few runs of the trail. Fingers crossed I don't end up on my face. And it's my first time trying out the camera properly, so don't know what the video quality or like that's going to be like. That is one good view if you ask me. Up here from Cullehill Mountain. Wind is pretty bad. And we're here to do baby. Made it to the bottom of the trail. No fuck ups, no over the handlebars, no cuts on my knees. That makes me pretty happy. Don't make fun of my helmet, I need to get a new one. The bike held up, fucking A1. Absolutely delighted with it now. See how this video turns out. Hopefully I'll have a couple more coming in the next few weeks and months. And yeah, peace.